Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tappingflamingo. I hope everybody's having a nice little holiday vacation. Merry Christmas everybody, and Happy New Year here in a few days. Today's video is all about a collaboration that I have been involved with Peacecraft dolls all year long, and this is the last one of the year. And it's going to involve some flamingos and some beads. So each month, Peacecraft Dolls, she gives us a word to create around. Today's word is future. And I'll be honest with you, I've had a little bit of a problem trying to come up with something that has to do with the future. So after thinking about it for a long time, I just kind of thought about what are some of the things I want to do in the future. And this doesn't necessarily mean have to be like way in the future, just maybe a couple of months from now. And I haven't seen my family for almost 2 years. My family in Florida, I see them over Zoom now, but since you know what, that's kind of messed us all up, everybody in the world, and we haven't been able to travel as much. I haven't seen my family in almost 2 years, and I go to Florida, at least before all that, I go to Florida quite often and visit with them. And so in the future, I am planning on going to see them, and this is the near future. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to make an outfit, and then I'm going to make some jewelry to go with the outfit. And this won't be for me, of course. It will be for my doll that I have named Sunny, that is supposed to be a mini-me. My sister, Tammy Powley, she's Peacecraft Dolls. She actually did some videos a while back, not too long ago, on how to do some sewing. Now, I can make masks because they're just a straight thing, and I do pretty well on those. In fact, I sold quite a few of them back when the pandemic first started. But as far as making clothes for myself or dolls, that was just really something that was a little bit overwhelming for me. But she's got some really great tutorials, and I have used them to make an outfit. And then I'm going to show you some jewelry. We're actually going to create some jewelry to go with the outfit. So I've got the skirt all done. All I need to do is make the top and then make the jewelry to go with it. And this will be something that in the future, when I go visit my family in Florida, Sunny and I will be all ready to go. I've got lots of flamingo outfits already. Well, let me go sew up this top, and I'll show you what it looks like. Actually, before I go and do that real quick, I just wanted to let you know, I wanted to do a top with this fabric. But since it's such a little tiny piece, I was going to be cutting off flamingo heads and stuff. So that's why I decided to do a little top out of this. I think they call it gingham. And I think it's going to look really pretty cool. So I have the little outfit all done. Now I got to figure out what type of jewelry I'm going to make this girl. I think it came out really cute. She looks like she's all ready for the beach. But now, let me show you what I have chosen. I'm going to make her a pair of earrings, and then I'm going to make her a little dangle for her pole. And I think I'm just going to leave it that simple. But aren't these beads cool? They're little moonstones. They're man-made, but they have a shimmer to them. And I think they'll really look good with the pink flamingos here. And I'm thinking about maybe using some black wire. And of course, we'll dangle a flamingo at the bottom. And one thing with these poles that I like to make, I usually hang them just down at the bottom. And then when I wrap it around her neck, it just hangs down. So it's kind of like a piece of jewelry she's wearing too. So I was able to find some black wire that these beads fit on. But I'm going to set that aside for now. And we're going to work on the earrings. So we're going to do a very simple pair of earrings. I'm going to hang them on head pins. Just put the bead on there, make a loop, and put them on the ear wires. There they are. They were very simple to do, and they're actually going to look really nice in her ears. And this is something that if you wanted to make you a pair of earrings, you could make you the same earrings and you have you some little minimalist earrings. Now for the pole. And I think what I'm going to do is just put 3 beads on here. And they fit. You just have to really force them on there. And I think I'm going to kind of make a fancy wire around them. So I've got the 3 beads. Then I'm going to make the loop for these, which I want to put both of these charms on a loop. See if they both fit on here. We'll do flamingo. Oh, interesting. I forgot. This is a link. I may be changing it up a little bit. So maybe this will hang from the bottom here. Let me go get another jump ring. So I added another jump ring there. I didn't really have to do that, but it tends to dangle a lot more when you use jump ring, and I wanted this to be real dangly. So I'm going to go ahead and make a loop with the messy wrap. And tuck in my wire. Feel around and make sure it's not all scratchy. We don't want to scratch our dolls. I'm going to go ahead and move these down. And I'm going to make another loop. And I'm going to, let's see. I think I'm also going to attach this with a jump ring too. I don't normally do that, but with this one I'm going to. So I'm going to wrap it around a bead, wrap it around another bead, wrap it around the last bead, trying to make them so they're on the same side. And clip it and tuck that in. Now all we have to do is assemble everything. And we'll have a dangle. So I'm going to find the end of this. There it is. Sometimes they're not that easy to find. Close her up and we're done. These zipper pulls are really easy to do and they're really nice to have. You can use them on bags, backpacks, journals, or Blythe dolls. I'll show you how I hang them on their cord here. My sister usually just knots it and hangs it in the knot. I just hang it at the bottom here. Uh-oh. Okay, I was going to say, I don't know if I can get this to open. One thing you need to do before you put on your lobster claw, make sure it opens up because sometimes they don't. Okay, so wrap it around her neck a couple times. And there we go. She's all ready to head to Florida. I hope you enjoyed my video. I would love it if you gave me a thumbs up. And go check out all the other participants in this challenge. Just use the hashtag #DollChallengeFuture. This is Terry Jeanette along with Sunshine signing out for now. Bye-bye.